Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Border Busters, and welcome to Drawing for Beginners, Episode 5. Alright guys, today we are going to be drawing a realistic apple. Well, we're going to actually be sketching this, but you guys can add your own colors to it if you want. If you want more information on colors, the link is in the description for the color video. Alright, I'm looking at a video for this. Let's do this. Alright, so I think what you first want to do is draw a circle. Just like this. It's a little big, but we're finally getting to the realistic stuff. Obviously, I'm going to be done on Friday. It's going to be that'll be a whole week. I'm not going to do it till Saturday because that will be past a week. But I'll show you guys still how to draw things. This is just the basics of drawing. I'm going to probably show you guys how to draw fun stuff. Just like that. Alright, let's see. Okay, so guess you want to have an extra line over like this. Gonna be a big apple for mine. I think I'm actually gonna make mine a little bit smaller, but you guys can make it whatever size you want. Okay, I think now what we have to do is go like this. Sorry about that noise. Now what we have to do is we have to actually like curve it like this and like kind of up like this and up. There we go. I think that's okay for mine. It's not the best, but you guys could start off this way. Again, I'm looking at a video right now. I just want to turn off the volume. Yep. Okay, sorry. I think you go like this. And then like this. Just like this and down. There you go. That's the stem, I guess. Alright. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up with this thing. Alright. Just going to erase this real quick. You kind of want to make it like this. And if you want the actual drawing video of this, I'll put this in the link below. It's Tar EQ's Drawing Academy. Something like that. I can't pronounce it too good. But I think it's a pretty good channel. So, just like this. Alright, let's see. So, we want to shade it in kind of dark from light. We're just going to do hatching for shading. And hatching is kind of just lines like this. And some lines over here. Ended up dark right here. And we're going to add another stem like this. Now we're going to add the leaf. So I think you do it from the same stem right here. And we're just going to draw it kind of like this. Down like this. Kind of something like this, I think. Not too sure. Not the best at drawing leaves, but kind of like this. I can kind of see the apple shape now. Like this. Okay. Let me see. Like this. Now we want to take this all the way to here. And we're just going to add some marks. They don't have to be perfect. And I'm going to have a surprise video on my birthday. And it's not going to be what you expected. It really suits spring, though. I'm making it right now. It's a full 2-week kind of process for it. But it will be done on my birthday. Because my birthday is less than 2 weeks. 2 weeks from yesterday. So All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like this, I think. Like, you just wanna make some lines kind of to, you know how leaves can kind of be sharp sometimes and they kind of have those spikes, I guess you could say. Just kind of like this. It's okay, I like it. I like the one that I did right now, but yeah, something like that. Not the best, but it's okay. Just gonna fix mine real quick. And then I think what we're gonna do actually is just erase this guideline up here. And right over here, we're gonna erase it up here, there. All right, just gonna connect this. And I feel like this has too much of a guideline right here too. All right, I'm just gonna fix this. Again, I will put the link of this video that I'm watching in the description below. Pretty good drawing, I think. Just like this. All right, now we're gonna shade from right here, dark, down. Just like this, here we go. Oops. Not too good at this one. I think we have to shade in like this, dark right here. And just like this, you wanna go dark from like the shadow from where it starts. And we wanna draw a line kind of like this. And like this. You wanna go on this side. Just like this. There we go. Now we want to go. I'm going to use some short strokes like this. And I have my blending stump right here, just in case, because I think I might need it for mine. And you guys don't have to use that. You could just use your finger. Blending stumps are really nice. I could show you guys an example in just a sec. When I'm done drawing this, you want to go like this. Yeah, this is okay. I mean, it's not my favorite necessarily, but I think with the blending stump, yes, yeah, I use this a lot. But what you got to do is just go like this, go around, and just start shading it in. You could use some light shading right here. On this video, it doesn't have a blending stump, but I'm just going to use it for mine. I think it's okay. It's really not the best darkness-wise. Just going to color that in. Got some darkness right here. And we could outline the apple a little bit more. Okay, just like this. And we're gonna draw our shadow. My goal is to get 100 subscribers at the end of the year, so please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And yeah, we're almost at 55 subscribers. Pretty cool. We've been gaining a lot lately. All right, I'm just gonna shade this in right here. Just a little bit. Shade this in. And there you go, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later tomorrow. Bye.